All right, guys, it's the last video of the shoot. We're trying to keep the energy level high. And if your meal prep time is, kind of like a broken down branch, then come right back for my chicken wings with Paleo Ranch. Woo! Keep it paleo. We're starting off with 12 wings in a large bowl, and these are they're not the little wingettes, it's the full-on wing. There's a dozen of them here. We're gonna keep it simple, just salt, pepper, and a little garlic powder. Okay. Some garlic powder. Just gonna toss this, and then out onto a foil-lined sheet pan. And then I'll just use tongs to kind of set them like that. That's gonna give the best exposure to the air. I'm gonna put these in a convection oven on 350. We're hoping to get them to crisp up nicely. Simple procedure here, but the star of this show is the Paleo Ranch. So these are going in the oven. We'll be right back. We're gonna start with 2 eggs, 1 whole egg, boop, there it is, and then 1 yolk. So we're going to take the white, drop it down there, and something like, is that awesome or what? Chicken juice flying earlier, now we got eggs flying. 1 egg, 1 yolk, and then I'm going to give some garlic. And ranch is typically garlic flavored. I'm going to put a little bit of some red wine vinegar. Now ranch is just kind of garlic flavored mayo. I want you to think of it like that. A little vinegar in there to make it like a dressing. We're gonna turn this on. Take a look, taste. We're just kind of going for consistency at this point. Still a little thin. So I'm thinking this is probably gonna take this whole bottle, about 2 cups of olive oil. Then we're gonna season it. Salt, a good amount of salt, some black pepper, and then here I've got some flat leaf parsley, Italian parsley. Throw that in there, see what happens. So now it needs some acidity. It's strong, coats the tongue. We need something to cut through that. So I'm gonna go with a lemon, juicy lemon. Juice of a lemon, I think it'll take all this. And then a touch more garlic. Okay, pretty good. I'm gonna let that rest for now. We're gonna knock out our veggies and then we'll see how those flavors kind of meld together. All right, when I get wings, I like Frank's, right? Frank's Red Hot, that's probably my favorite sauce. And then when I go to like Buffalo Wild Wings, I'll just get the dry wings and a bunch, I get like 2 or 3 boats of the celery and carrots. So we're gonna kind of mimic that here. The large amount of celery and carrot sticks. And the carrots, I'm just gonna peel these guys, like I was saying. They're kind of stick size already. Boom. Maybe do top and bottom, keep it clean, something like that. All right, we've got our plate coming together here. Carrots, celery, and then we're gonna fill this baby up with our ranch. Take a taste. It needs a little more acid. Do that. Other half of that lemon, right? Another pinch of salt. And then put just a dash of Tabasco in there. And if you don't buy your Tabasco in gallon jugs, you should start doing that. There we go. Calling it good, baby. That works. It's not Hidden Valley, but I won't have a problem dipping my chicken wings in this stuff. Test it out. You gotta test it out, right? That was good, my friend. So I'm gonna move this aside. I'm gonna go check on those wings, and then we'll wrap this all up. Here we go. Boom. Nice and crispy on the outside. These are gonna be good. These are gonna be good. So we cook these to 180, 185. With the skin and bone, they can handle more heat. Unlike a boneless, skinless chicken breast, you want to stop that baby as close to 165 as possible. So time to toss these guys in some sauce and dig in. There we go. Wings in, good and hot. Use a little ghee. Not that much. Boom, boom. A little lemon juice in there. And some Tabasco. Just keeping it OG. Maybe that much. Just gonna stir these around till that butter melts. Give that a second. And I'm thinking maybe just a little bit. I know Jesse's gonna be mad because he wants these to be super original. But I think it'd be nice with a little color, little green parsley, fresh specks, and that'll kind of tie in the ranch to the wings. So it's a what we call a relevant garnish. Here we have our traditional wings with Paleo Ranch. So throw this together for your next party or when you're watching the Super Bowl. And I'm Nick here showing you one more way to keep it paleo.